This video, I'll be showing you how you can log in into the CloudNote website, and it's very quick and easy. So let me show you how. First of all, you need to head over to your browser and just type in cloudnote.com. Then after doing that, just click on enter. Then you'll be taken over to this page, which is the CloudNote page, where you have to log in. So at this page right here, if you go over to this section, you see login, find schools, find people, browse features, but we'll click on login. Now, if you scroll just a little bit to the bottom, you see this section that says you have to log in, put in your email address, your password. So let's put in our email address. But you should always know that for you to log in into the CloudNote website, you already need to have an account, which means you should have already signed up into CloudNote for you to be able to log in. So let's just assume that you've already signed up and now you want to log in. So what you have to do is put in your email address, which you used to create your account. Then you have to put in your password. Then after putting your password, all you have to do is click log in. Now let's click log in. So as you can see, we've successfully logged in. As you can see, we are signed in as Goodness Johnson. Remember, when we created this account, it was actually, so while creating this account, that's where you set your name and you set, everything about your email address and all of that. So after doing this, we can now go over to dashboard. So let's click go to dashboard. Now at this section, we have to put in our email address again and just click log in. All right, so now we are at the CloudNote lobby page. We've successfully logged in and now we are at the CloudNote lobby page. So at this page, you'll find a whole lot of things, link user, create space, join a space, and this is how you can successfully log in into CloudNote. All right, thanks for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, then let us know in the comments. And if you have any question there, also let us know about it, and we are available to answer your questions. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.